Hello students, myself Dr. Anubhuti Khosle, Associate Professor from Rawatpura Sarkari University. Today we discuss fuel and combustion. It is very useful topic for UG, PG and applied chemistry students and BTech students. First is definition of fuel. Fuel is a combustible substance which burning gives large amount of heat. It is used for domestic and industrial purpose. The main elements of fuels are carbon and hydrogen. When fuel is burned with the presence of oxygen, it gives us water, carbon dioxide gas and heat. Classification of fuel. According to their occurrence, primary fuels, that is known as, these fuels are present in nature, is known as primary fuel. Example is coal and petroleum. Next is secondary fuel. It is also known as artificial fuels. Fuels which are derived from the primary fuels is known as secondary fuel. Example is coke, petrol, diesel and water gas. Next is according to their aggregation. Primary fuel divided into three forms: solid, liquid and gas, and secondary fuel is also divided into three forms: solid, liquid and gas. Examples of are coal, petroleum, natural gas, cokes and water gas. Next is calorific value. Calorific value is defined as a total quantity of heat liberated by burning a unit mass of volume of fuel completely. It is a fuel efficiency that expressed in a term of calorific values. Its units are kilocalorie per gram, British thermal unit. Now we have found the calorific value, then it is measured by the using of Baum calorimeter. In this diagram we have shown the diagram of Baum calorimeter. The contents of apparatus is a सिलेंड्रिकल स्टेनलेस स्टील सिलेंडर होता है इसमें, जिसमें कंबशन ऑफ फ्यूल के लिए एक छोटा सा क्रूसिबल हम ऐड करते हैं. देयर इज थ्री टाइप ऑफ जैकेट्स. आउटर मोस्ट जैकेट नोन एज वाटर जैकेट. नेक्स्ट जैकेट इज कैलोरीमीटर जैकेट एंड इनर स्टेनलेस स्टील क्रूसिबल that is known as bomb. It is combined with the oxygen valve inlet and completed to the circuit. There is a one stir and Bachmann thermometer. Next is procedure. If we have taken 1 or 5 gram of dried fuel in a clean crucible which is supported over a ring, then it is fine manganese wire to place the fuel and across to the electrode. Next we have taken 10 ml of water in bomb that can absorb the vapor by the lid, and tightly screwed by the bomb is filled by oxygen gas up to atmospheric pressure is 25. The bomb is lowered into the calorimeter is known as mass of water. The stir work as the initial temperature of water is noted. Then electrodes of the bomb is connected to the 6-volt meter and circuit will be completed. The temperature of water is gradually increased without stirring. The maximum temperature is noted. The next is calculation. The formula is HCV. HCV means high calorific value is equals to capital W plus W bracket close T2 minus T1 upon m, and the unit is calorie per gram, where small m is known as mass of fuel, W is mass of water of calorimeter, small w is equivalent of calorimeter, T1 is initially temperature of calorimeter, T2 is final calorimeter. So LCV is low calorific value is L minus 0.09 multiplied by H into 587. Now you have known what is LCV and SCV. That is a calorific value, theoretical calorific value. GCV full form is gross calorific value, or it is known as high calorific value, and net calorific value is also known as LCV. So first, the definition of the high calorific value. It is a total amount of heat produced when a water quantity of fuel is completely burned. So it is known as gross calorific value. What is net calorific value? It is also known as LCV, low calorific value. The total amount of heat liberated a unit quantity of fuel is completely burned, and combustion products are known as net calorific value. So we have found the water vapor escape along with the combustion product are not condensed. तो NCV is equals to SCV minus latent heat of energy. 1 part of weight of hydrogen gives 9 part of weight hydrogen. The latent heat of steam is 587 and water vapor produced. So the formula is NCV या SCV is equals to NCV minus 0.9 H into 587. Thank you.